back to our online learning platform. Today we'll be talking about general knowledge, and our topic will be on deserts. Our focus will be on some interesting facts you should know about a desert. Number one, you've been hearing the word desert, and I know by now you've been asking yourself, what's a desert? You will be thinking, oh, it's just an English word for expression. Nope. A desert is just a place. So what's a desert? A desert are areas that receives extremely low amount of rain. That means unlike our normal environment here, when anytime there's rainfall, we have enough of it that we can even say, oh, this rain should stop. But in these kind of places, the desert, they receive low amount of rainfall. So you can imagine that throughout the year it could be a very sunny place. So that's what a desert. A desert are areas that receive extremely low amount of rain. Number two, 1/3 of the Earth's surface is covered in deserts. Now, as wide or as big as the Earth is, the desert covers what? 1/3 of it. That is, this 1/3 of part of the Earth does not or receives little rainfall. That's the second fact you should hold on to. Number three, the word desert, like we said, originally means an abandoned place. The word desert, which we said what, is an area that receives low amount of rain, originally means what? An abandoned place. That means somewhere that is forgotten, that is not being made use of again, is referred to as what? A desert. But now it's now known as what? An area that receives low amount of rain. Number four, we have the largest cold desert. The largest cold desert is the Antarctica. This is an example. This area is an example or is a desert on its own. So it's very cold. So we have more areas or more deserts that are cold, but this particular one, Antarctica, is the largest of all the cold deserts. So lastly, before we leave, 20% of the deserts on Earth are covered in sand. 20% of the deserts on Earth are covered in what? In sand. Now, if you go to a desert now, you will see most of these places are what? Full of sand. They are full of what? Sand. So 20% of the deserts in the planet Earth is covered in what? In sand. Nobody is living there because it's not habitable for human beings to live there. That's why I say 20% of it is covered in what? Sand. Now, these are the facts. I'll be giving you more in the next class, but let's stay with these 5 for now. So with our own drill, we have described a desert. Number 2, the word desert originally means, you can see that in the notes. Number 3, the largest cold desert is dash. And lastly, what percentage of Earth's desert is covered in sand? So with this, we've come to the end of class. On our general learning today, I'd like to say thank you for listening. Bye.